You ready? Where you want to go?
Church.
You want to go to church?
Yes.
All right. I thought you want to get a snack.
Snack.
You want to get a snack first?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Yes.
McDonald's. Woo woo! Yay, girl! That's your intro?
Ow.
We ready?
Yes.
All right. Did you have a fun day today? So what did you learn at school today?
This day.
Well, there's some people in the car. You don't have the point though.
So,
Yeah, because we don't want them to see you pointing at them. We don't want those problems.
what's that?
That's a car.
That one.
The building? That's a building. The yellow building?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a yellow building.
This is yellow.
Yellow building. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Woo woo!
Woo-hoo.
Woo woo! Good night. Uh-oh. Ray go to sleep. Oh, we gotta go home.
Whoa.
Ray will go. I got you. Huh? So what did you learn at school today? Colors?
And painting.
Okay.
And housekeeping.
Okay.
And I learned sackcloth and dinner.
Okay. Oh, really? You learned all of that today?
What's that?
That's McDonald's.
Ew, I like that.
No, we not go to that one. That one's not good. No, that's not good.
That's not good.
Nope, we don't go to that one. We go to the other one.
Other one.
Yep.
Where's that other one?
You know where it is. If not, just ride. We'll get there. I promise you. Sound like a plan? Unless you want to drive. You want to drive?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You know how to drive? Oh.
I think it's faster.
Huh?
I think it's faster.
You want to go faster?
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay.
It's so sorry.
Huh?
Sorry.
You're sorry?
Hmm?
For what?
It is do
Hey, don't touch the bottom of your shoe. It's very dirty.
do. Whoa.
What are you talking about?
Whoa.
You are a silly goose.
You think you're.
Nope.
Don't say that.
Don't say what?
Say baby. Ooh.
You said silly goose. You call me a silly goose. Oh, now you're trying to whisper. Huh? Okay. Rain. I love you, big girl. I love you. I love you. Okay. So what did you have for lunch today? Okay. Did you have any vegetables?
Yes.
What kind of vegetables? What kind? Chicken peas? Well, you don't know about chicken peas.
I know. I don't hear it.
Huh? Huh? Nothing. Nothing. I don't know. Okay, bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night, bye-bye. Oh. Hey, Barry. Hey, don't do that. That's dirty.
What's that?
Right there. That's a crane. A crane.
I like it.
It's not candy. It's a crane.
Cane.
Crane.
Cane.
Crane.
Cane.
Can you say crystal?
Kisses.
Can you say crane?
Cane.
Oh, okay. Can you say candy? Okay. Can you say color?
Color.
Color?
Color.
Okay. One more. Can you say car?
Car.
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 Good job. That was good. Can you say car? Can you say color?
Color.
Can you say crane?
Can.
Can you say candy?
Candy.
Good job.
What's up there?
The clouds.
No, that one.
Oh, the lines. That's a power line.
Power line.
Yes, that's how you get power from to the buildings. That's how you get internet. That's how you get cable. You get all of those through the power lines. What do you see? Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes.
Who likes Dunkin' Donuts?
Me.
You like Dunkin' Donuts? Huh? You like McDonald's? Is Deborah like Dunkin' Donuts? Whoo, girl, you so right. Miss Deborah loves Dunkin' Donuts. Huh? What you say? You like what? You like lunchtime? What you say? Okay. Ring ring. Where's ring ring? Ring. Ring. What is this? Huh?
A phone.
It's a phone. No, it's McDonald's. Silly goose. Yes. I said that. You still like my hair? You do? Thank you. Are you just being nice? You really like it? Thank you. Your opinion matters to me. Did you know that? Huh? You didn't know that? Well, your opinion very much so matters. I value what you have to say. Sounds good? Do you really care? Okay. Just checking. Uh-oh. Where are we? We at the church! Huh?
Church is over.
Church is over? No, it hasn't even started. We just early. Yeah, we just early right now. Woo!
What's that?
Huh? I don't know. You ready to go to church?
That was right there.
You ready to go to church?
That's what they did.
You ready to go to church?
Daddy.
Yes. Let's go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
We made it to the church.
Wait,
Woohoo!